Asunto-osakeyhtiö Vantaan Pähkinälehto.
Today is the 3rd of May 2023. What was the address here again?
Pähkinärinteentie 52.
Yeah, Hasselbacksvägen
52.
52 really, okay. And the stake is we need to get the stakes as we can see here. It was built in 1975 by ValmetSchlieren. It turned 45 years old in 2020. Amazing, and the same price fee is $43.99. It will be expected in 2025 when it will be 15 years old. 6 months. So far, the oldest original the way to see Pähkinärinne Hasselbacken, because the 1974 ones had unfortunately be more generics.
Yeah, but Pähkinärintie 6 D and F are almost as old as this one, but staircase A, B, and C are a year newer for some reason.
Yeah. I love the smell in here.
Same here. It's did by Lift Control Finland and maintained by Otis, so no describe this.
The Allen umbrella is still original here.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in Pähkinärinne Hasselbacken, Vantaa. Åsarna Finland, close to Mermäkivirta.
That's it.